Check in with your body right now. What would feel like the right way to start for you? Is it child's pose? Is that the truthful, like what is needed for your body right now? Start. It could be a seated position. It could also be on your back in Supta Baddha Konasana. Take a breath wherever you are. Deep breath in through your nose. Open mouth, side out. If you need a few more dramatic sighs, do that. Otherwise, if you're ready for Ujjayi Pranayama, your victorious breath, start it now. And pull the pit of the belly in towards the spine. One more big breath in here. Deep, deep breath out. Downward facing dog. If there's anything your body needs on the way to downward dog, please take it. Otherwise, settle in and notice. Without violence towards yourself or me, just be with what is the truth of this moment without anything extra. Focus your eyes to one spot. Breathe on purpose. Press the base of the pointer fingers and thumbs into the mat. And take one more filling breath in. Cleansing breath out. Walk your hands back to your feet. Ragdoll at the back of your mat. Have your feet hip distance apart or wider. Lift and spread your toes. Let your head hang heavy. Big breath. Clear it out. Roll up to extended mountain pose. Stretch your fingertips up to the sky. Touch your palms together. Draw hands in the heart center. Either look at the space where your middle fingertips connect or close your eyes. And we'll open the practice together with the sound of universal consciousness. One big Om. Ah-oh. Inhale. Clearing breath out. Inhale for Om. Fill up. Exhale, release your hands by your sides. Lift the crown of your head up. Extended mountain pose. Breathe in. Cactus the arms. Slight bend in the knees. Gentle back bend. Re-extend. Inhale. Forward fold. Put a generous bend in the knees as you round over your legs. Flat back. Breathe in. High plank. Breathe out. Listen for what's needed truly for your body right now. It could be tabletop cows and cats. Inhale, look forward. If you're up for it, lower all the way to your belly. Cobra pose, just lift the chest, breathe in. Release forehead back down, breathe out. Do that 2 more times. Inhale, lift the chest. Focus your eyes, exhale as you lower. If you want a deeper back bend, you could come to upward dog for the 3rd one. Downward facing dog, exhale. Deep breath in. Pull, empty out. Lower your knees to the mat. Step your right foot to the front of your mat for a modified crescent lunge. If you're feeling spunky and you truly feel up for lifting the back knee off the mat, do that. Inhale here. Exhale, vertical twist to the right. Listen for what your body needs in this moment. Could be to stay and twist a little deeper or hook the elbow across the front thigh. Take another breath in. Look a little further right, breathe out. Crescent lunge. Everyone lift your back knee off the floor this time. Reach up. Eagle pose, left leg over. Gently step your back foot up and cross the leg over. Option to wind the arms up like ropes. Set your gaze to one spot. And breathe with intention here. See if on the next exhale you can fold a little deeper into the knees. Extended mountain pose, stretch the arms overhead, plant the feet. Forward fold, exhale. Flat back, breathe in. Vinyasa of your choice. What do you need? What's true for you to flow? Inhale and exhale, see as you move to downward dog. One breath in, audible breath out. Left foot forward, crescent lunge. Option to lower the knee as you step the foot forward. So this side of the body is different from the other side. So what it needs and what's true for this side of the body might be different. Inhale here. Exhale, revolve, crescent lunge to the left. Focus your eyes, breathe in, check in, and go to your next place. Could be a deeper twist, could hook the elbow. Take one more breath in. And as you exhale, look a little further left. Back to crescent lunge on your inhale. Eagle, right leg over, take your time, slow and steady. Right leg over, right arm under. Set your eyes to one spot and breathe. Squeeze your shins together and see if you can sit a little lower. What's true for you in this moment? One more breath in. Go your deepest, breathe out. Extended mountain pose, inhale, big stretch up. Forward fold, exhale. Halfway lift, breathe in. Set your gaze, Vinyasa, breathe out. See as you move and breathe. Could be high to low plank through up dog to downward dog. Triangle, right foot forward. Deep breath. If you have a block, you can put your right hand on the block. Yeah, notice the truth of this pose is different than any other time you've done triangle pose. Slight bend in both knees. Look either side or up. Take one more breath in. See if you can gently go a little deeper on the breath out. If you have a block under your bottom hand, bring it with you up to star pose. Put the block in your left hand, triangle towards the back of your mat. Breathe out. Slight bend in both knees. Lift and spread your toes. As you breathe deeply, focus your eyes. Pull the pit of belly to spine. And see, can you go deeper? What's true? What's the new depth? What's the new truth of depth? One more breath there. Exhale. Bring your hands to the back of your mat. Step back, high to low plank or tabletop cows and cats. Inhale. See, exhale. See. Lift your heels, look forward. Exhale, step or jump to the front of the mat. Just kidding, it's the back of your mat now. Flat back, breathe in. Fold, breathe out. Chair pose, inhale. However you want to get there, boat pose. Come to a seat. Could be a plop. And lift the feet. Pull belly button to spine. Focus your eyes. Check in. What's needed for you? What's true for you? 5, 4, 3, 2. Bridge pose. Lay down onto your back. Could be supported bridge. Could be wheel prep. I don't know, your body might be craving something other. If you're feeling ready, go for a full wheel for 5. Focus your eyes and breathe on purpose. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. Supine figure 4, right ankle across the left thigh. Grab onto the back of the left leg. This might be the place for you to stay, or you could come into supine half pigeon where you wrap your arms around your right shin and extend your left leg long towards the floor. Take another breath in. Either look to a spot on the ceiling or close your eyes, breathe out. Supine single leg extension, right leg up. Take the right leg up. You could have the left leg bent or straight. Take 2 breaths here. Inhale. As you exhale, let the truth be, the truth of the hamstring mobility be without adding any violence to it, no judgment. Another breath here. As slowly as you can, exhale. Once that breath is complete, supine figure 4, left ankle across the right thigh. Keep the breath slow and steady. And focus your eyes internally or externally. the truth of this moment be without any extra resistance or drama. Supine single leg extension, left leg up. Either plant the right foot down or extend the leg long. Be intentional with your eyes as you breathe. One more breath here. Waterfall pose. You're welcome to just slide your hands underneath your tailbone, lift your feet up. If you have a block, put your hips on a block. Keep your feet up and your hands and arms up, and go ahead and create some movement in the ankles and wrists. You can close your eyes or look to a spot. Take one more intentional breath here. Empty all the way out. Supine twist with one or both knees to the right. Let the truth be however it is, however you're feeling. Let go of the attachment to wanting it to be any different than it is. One more breath. Switch sides. Let your eyes start to drift closed. Experience your breath in this twist. One more. And back to center. Set yourself up. If you want to stay on your back in Supta Baddha Konasana, if you have two blocks, you can put one under each knee. Bring one hand to heart, one hand to belly. Or you're welcome to extend your legs out on the mat in Shavasana. And then up and bring your palms to touch at the center of your chest. If it would feel nice, you can rest one hand on top of the other over your heart space. And we'll close the practice with one big Om, the sound of universal consciousness. Ah-oh-om. Inhale. Clearing breath out. Inhale for Om. Set your thumbs to the middle of your forehead. May all beings everywhere be blessed with happiness and freedom. May the thoughts, words, and actions of our own lives contribute to that happiness and freedom for all. We bow forward in gratitude for this practice that came to us from India and brought us together today. Thank you.